Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can send money from Neteller to Binance. So the first thing that you have to do is to log into your Neteller account. So you just have to open the Neteller application or website, and then from there you just have to sign in with your credentials. And then ensure that your account is verified and has sufficient balance. Next step is to navigate to money transfer. So you just have to click on money out or withdraw and select a bank transfer or crypto exchange option from the menu. Next to that, it's search for Binance in the list of supported exchanges, or you can use the send to crypto wallet option if direct transfer is not available. Next is to copy your Binance deposit address or bank details from your Binance account, and then you just have to enter the amount that you wish to transfer and verify all the information. And lastly is to review the transaction fees and exchange rates, and then you just have to confirm the transfer with your Neteller security code. And then your funds will typically arrive in 1 to 3 business days, so you just have to wait for it or keep checking it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you send money from Neteller to Binance. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!